Hello guys, in the last video we discussed about part 1 English. In the previous video we discussed about part 2 mathematics. Let me see the part 3 is physical science. Now I will say the correct option for physical science also. I have to read the questions properly and have to select the correct option. Let me see part 3 physical science. Number of covalent bonds present in C4H10 is 10, 12, 13, 14. The correct option is 3, 13. A light ray travels from medium A into N is equal to 1.33 to medium B into N equal to 1.50. The refractive ray will bend towards the normal, bends away from the normal, move undeviated, undergo total internal reflection. The correct option is bend towards the normal. It means the first one is correct and the first option is correct. The answer is bend towards the normal. You have to see the table carefully. Material medium Ri P 1.44 Q 1.31 R 1.77 S 2.42. From the above table, which materials allows light to travel with the highest speed? P Q R S. The correct option is Q. Q is the right answer. If the focal length of a lens is plus 25 centimeters, the type of lens and its power are concave, comma minus 4D, convex plus 4D, convex plus 2D, concave plus 4D. The correct option is 2 and the answer is convex plus 4D. Which of the following statement is false regarding a convex lens? It is a converging lens. It can form both real and virtual images. It is thinner at the edges than at the middle. It always forms a diminished virtual image. The correct option is 4 and the answer is it always forms a diminished and virtual image. When a convex lens forms a real image of the same size as the object, the distance between the object and its image is F, 2F, 3F, 4F. The correct option is 4 and the answer is 4F. A light ray incidents on a glass slab n is equal to 1.5 at an angle of 0 degree with the normal, the angle of refraction and the lateral shift are 0 degrees and maximum 90 degrees and 0, 0 degrees and 0, 45 degrees and minimum. The correct option is 0 degrees and 0. The option 3 is correct. Answer is 0 degrees and 0. A light ray is incident on a concave mirror passing through the center of curvature C. Then the angle of reflection will be 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 0 degrees, 180 degrees. The correct option is 3 and the answer is 0 degrees. A person is using a corrective lens of power minus 2.5D. A far point of his person is 25 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 40 meters, 2.5 meters. The correct option is 2 and the answer is 40 centimeters. Which of the following statements about the scattering of light is correct? Blue light scatters the least because it has longer wavelength. Red light scatters the least because it has longer wavelength. Molecules in atmosphere scatters all colors of white light equally. Tyndall effect is not related to scattering of light. The correct option is 2 and the answer is red light scatters the least because it has long wavelength. When when the ciliary muscles of a human eye are relaxed are in relax when the ciliary muscles of a human eyes are in relaxed state of the focal length of the eye lens is approximately 2.5 centimeters, 2.27 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 15 centimeters. The correct option is 1 and the answer is 2.5 centimeters. The advanced sunrise and delayed sunset are the phenomenon that occurs due to total internal reflection, atmospheric refraction, scattering of light, dis- dispersion in water droplets. The correct option is 2, and the answer is atmospheric refraction is the correct. A array of light passing through an equilateral triangular glass prism A is equal to 60 degrees undergoes a minimum deviation of 30 degrees. The refractive index is 1.5 root 2 root 3 1.33. 1.33. The correct option is second and the answer is root 2. Analyze the following table recording four different students and identify the correct statement. There are four students. They are A, B, C, D. Least distance of the distance vision. For A, 25 centimeters. For B, 50 centimeters. For C, 25 centimeters. For D, 15 centimeters. The far point for A is 80 centimeters. For B is infinity. For C is infinity. For D is 200 centimeters. Corrective lenses. For A is minus 1.25D. For B is plus 2.0D. For C is 0D. For D is plus 1.5D. Student Student A has hypermetropia. Student B has myopia. Student C has a healthy eye with no vision defects. Student D uses a convex lens to correct myopia. The correct statement is student C has a healthy eye with no vision defects. Four wires A, B, C, D have same length and same area. Wire A, B, C, D are wires resistive ohm meters. For A, 2 into 10 power minus 8. For B, 5 into 10 power minus 7. For C, 1 into 10 power minus 6. For D, 8 into 10 power minus 8. Which wire has maximum resistance? A, B, C, D. The correct option is third and the answer is C. The ratio of resultant resistance when 4 ohm, 6 ohms, 12 ohm resistors are connected in parallel and series respectively 11 is to 1, 22 is to 1 is to 11, 1 is to 22. The correct option is 3. The correct option is, sorry, the correct option is 1. The answer is 11 is to 1. The electric energy consumed by an electric heater of 1 kilovolt works for 30 minutes is 0.5 kWh, 1 kWh, 0.25 kWh, 2 kWh. The correct option is 1 and the answer is 0.5 kWh. Which of the following terms does not represent electric power in circuit? I square R, IR square, V square by R. The correct option is second and the answer is IR square. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere from 220 volt line? 8, 2, 6, 4. The correct option is 4 and the answer is 4. Joule by coulomb is equal to ampere, ohm, volt, watt. The correct option is third and the answer is volt. Assertion A. No two magnetic field lines are found to cross each other. Reason: if they did, the compass needle would point towards two directions at point of intersection, which is not possible. Both A and R are true. R is correct explanation for A. Both A and R are true. R is not correct explanation for A. A is true and R is false. Both A and R are false. The correct statement is 1 and the answer is both A and R are true. R is correct explanation for A. Find out Which of the following property of a proton can change while it moves in a magnetic field? Mass, speed, velocity, momentum. The correct option we have to choose one. First option A and D, A and B, B and C, C and D. The correct option is 4, C and D. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit reduces reduces sustainability, doesn't change, increase heavily, vary continuously. The correct option is third, and the answer is increases heavily. According to Fleming's left hand rule, the forefinger represents the direction of magnetic field, current, force, motion. The correct option is magnetic field. Option 1 is correct, and the answer is magnetic field. An electron enters a magnetic field at right angles to it as shown in the figure. The direction of the force acting on the electron will be to the right, to the left, out of the page, into the page. The correct option is third, and the answer is out of page. The rules used to find the direction of magnetic field associated with current carrying conductor. Right and thumb rule, Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, Faraday's rule. The correct option is 1, and the answer is right hand thumb rule. Find x plus y from the following balanced chemical equation: 2Pb into 2Pb NO3 square S x PbOS y NO square G O square G, sorry, PbNO3 whole 2 S x PbOS y NO2G O2G. Options are 5, 6, 7, 8. The correct option is 2, and the answer is 6. Balanced equation for Al plus HCl plus AlCl3 plus H2. Al plus HCl gives rise to AlCl3 plus H2. Al plus 6HCl gives rise to 2AlCl3 3H2. Or third one, Al plus 3HCl gives rise to AlCl3 plus H2. 2Al plus 3HCl gives rise to 2ACl3 plus H2. The correct option is second one, and the answer is 2Al plus 6HCl gives rise to 2AlCl3 plus 3H2. Quick lime reacts with water to form slack lime with releases of heat. This reaction is combination and exothermic combination and endothermic decomposition and exothermic displacement and endothermic. The correct option is 1, and the answer is combination and exothermic. CuO plus C gives rise to Cu plus Co. In this reaction, which is oxidized? CuO, Cu. The correct option is 3, and the answer is Cu. Rancidity is caused due to reduction of oils, oxidation of oils, decomposition of water, vaporization of oil. The correct option is 2, and the answer is oxidation of oils. The volumetric ratio of hydrogen to oxygen in water: 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 2 is to 1, 1 is to 1. The correct option is 3, and the answer is 2 is to 1. 2 NaHCO3 gives rise to heat A plus H2O plus B. Here A and B respectively: NaCl, H2, NaCO3, CO2, NaCl, CO2, Na2CO3, H2. The correct option is option 2, and the answer is Na2CO3, CO2. A solution has pH equal to 3 compared to a solution pH equal to 5. It is 2 times more acidic, 10 times more acidic, 100 times more acidic, 1000 times more acidic. The correct option is 3, and the answer is 100 times more acidic. Which of the following pairs will produce a neutral solution when mixed in equal amounts? Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid plus ammonium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide plus acetic acid. The correct option is 1. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide is the answer. About acids in aqueous solution, which of the following statement is correct? They produce OH minus ions, they produce H3O plus ions, they do not conduct electricity, they have pH greater than 7. The correct option is 2 and the answer is they produce H3O plus ions. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate dihydrate, sodium sulfate dihydrate, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, sodium sulfate hemihydrate. The correct option is third and the answer is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The gases released at anode and at cathode in polar alkali process are hydrogen oxygen chlorine oxygen chlorine hydrogen oxygen chlorine. The correct option is 3 and the answer is chlorine hydrogen. A metal A reacts easily with cold water, metal B reacts only with hot water, metal C does not react with water. What is correct reactive order? A less than B less than C, B less than A less than C, sorry, A great A greater than D greater than C, B greater than A greater than C, C greater than B greater than A, B greater than C greater than A. The correct option is 1 and the answer is A greater than B greater than C. Which of the following does not liberate hydrogen gas when react with acids? Potassium, zinc, copper, iron. The correct option is third and the answer is copper. Which of the following metal conduct electricity but cannot be drawn into wires? Copper, aluminium, silver, mercury. The option 4 is correct and the answer is mercury. Which of the following metal oxide shows atmospheric nature? Na2, Na2O, CaO, Al2O3, K2O. The correct option is 3 and the answer is Al2O3. Which of the following metal is so soft that we can cut with a knife? Sodium, calcium, iron, silver. The correct option is 1 and the answer is sodium. The metal used in anodizing NaMgCaAl. The correct option is 4 and the answer is Al. Which of the following is not an ionic compound? NaCl, HCl, KCl, MgCl2. The correct option is 2 and the answer is HCl. A hydrocarbon contains 6 carbon atoms and has only single bonds. Its molecular formula is C6H12, C6H14, C6H10, C6H6. The correct option is 2 and the answer is C6H14. Ethanol on strong oxidation gives ethane, ethonic acid, methane, pro, propane. The correct option is 2 and the answer is ethanic acid. Which base belongs to same homo, homoglucose series? C2H6, C3H8, C2H4, C3H8, C2H2, C2H6, CH3OH, C2H6. The correct option is 1 and the answer is C2H6, C3H8. Ethane reacts with hydrogen to form ethane. This reaction is substitution, addition, oxidation, neutralization. The correct option is 2 and the answer is addition. Which reaction produces sweet smelling substance? Alcohol plus acid, alkane plus oxygen, alkane plus hydrogen plus acid plus base. The correct option is 1. Alcohol plus acid is the correct answer. Okay, these are the correct options for physical science. Okay, now we discussed about English, Maths, and Physical Science. These are the major concepts for APRJC. Okay, you can check it and you can count how many marks you can get in this. Okay, thank you.